আমরা ব্যাঙ্গালোর থেকে রওনা দিলাম দক্ষিণ ভারতের বিখ্যাত হ্যালোবিদিতে অবস্থিত হৈসলেশ্বর মন্দির দেখতে। ব্যাঙ্গালোর থেকে হ্যালোবিদির দূরত্ব 210 কিলোমিটার। যাওয়া যায় মাইসোর বা হাসান থেকেও। মাইসোর থেকে দূরত্ব 142 কিলোমিটার আর হাসান থেকে মাত্র 30 কিলোমিটার। হ্যালোবিদু একসময় ছিল হৈসলা সাম্রাজ্যের রাজধানী। দ্বাদশ শতাব্দীতে রাজা বিষ্ণুবর্ধনের পৃষ্ঠপোষকতায় তার মন্ত্রী কেতুমালা এই মন্দির নির্মাণ করেন। কেতুমালা ছিলেন শৈব উপাসক। তিনি তাঁর শিবের প্রতি ভক্তি ও শ্রদ্ধার প্রকাশরূপে এই যমজ মন্দির, যা হৈসলেশ্বর ও শান্তালেশ্বর নির্মাণ করেন। হৈসলেশ্বর হল রাজা বিষ্ণুবর্ধনের পূজিত শিব ও রানী শান্তালা দেবীর পূজিত শিব শান্তালেশ্বর। এই আমরা হ্যালোবিদুতে এসে পৌঁছলাম। এই বাঁদিকে হৈসলেশ্বর মন্দির কমপ্লেক্স। এই হৈসলা সাম্রাজ্যের রাজধানীর প্রকৃত নাম ছিল দোরা সমুদ্র বা দ্বার সমুদ্র। 1400 শতকের গোড়ার দিকে আলাউদ্দিন খিলজির বাহিনী হৈসলা সাম্রাজ্য আক্রমণ করে এবং লুটপাট করে সমস্ত কিছুকে প্রায় ধ্বংসস্তূপে পরিণত করে। তাই এই জায়গার নাম হয় হ্যালোবিদু বা ধ্বংসনগরী। দুই মন্দিরের সামনেই রয়েছে দুই বিশালাকার নন্দীমূর্তি, যা আকারে ভারতবর্ষের মধ্যে ষষ্ঠ ও সপ্তম। সমগ্র মন্দিরটি একটি তারকাকৃতি প্ল্যাটফর্মের উপর নির্মিত। মন্দিরটি দক্ষিণ ভারতীয় শিল্পীদের নিপুণ শিল্পকর্মের এক নিদর্শন। মন্দিরের বাইরের সমগ্র দেওয়াল জুড়ে রয়েছে প্রায় 340টি বড় বড় মূর্তি, যা হিন্দু ধর্মতত্ত্ব, রামায়ণ, মহাভারত এবং ভাগবত পুরাণের বর্ণনা। এখান থেকে মন্দিরের দুটি অংশ একদম পরিষ্কার। ডান দিকের অংশটি হৈসলেশ্বর আর বাঁ দিকে শান্তালেশ্বর, মাঝখানে জোড়া। পরবর্তীকালে 1799-এ টিপু সুলতানের পরাজয়ের পর মাইসোর ব্রিটিশ শাসনের অধীনে আসে আর এই ধ্বংসস্তূপ থেকে নতুনভাবে মন্দির পুনর্নির্মাণের কাজ শুরু হয়। কিন্তু মন্দিরের প্রতিটি গর্ভগৃহের ওপরে যে চূড়া ছিল তা আজও অনুপস্থিত। কিন্তু যেটুকু বর্তমান তা না দেখলে বিশ্বাস করা যায় না যে সাধারণ ছেনি হাতুড়ি দিয়ে কি অসাধারণ শিল্পকর্ম সৃষ্টি করে গেছেন তখনকার শিল্পীরা। এই মন্দিরের মূল প্রবেশদ্বার। যেহেতু মন্দিরে দেবতার পুজো হয়, তাই খালি পায়ে ঢুকতে হবে মন্দিরে। বেশ গরম। মন্দিরের চত্বরে ম্যাট পাতা আছে সেই জন্য। প্রবেশদ্বারের দুদিকে রয়েছে দুই দ্বাররক্ষী, নন্দিকেশরা আর ভৃঙ্গিকেশরা। মন্দিরের প্রতিটি শিল্পকর্মকে সঠিকভাবে জানতে হলে গাইডের সাহায্য অবশ্যই নেওয়া উচিত। আমরাও গাইড নিয়েছি। গাইডের চার্জ 500 টাকা। আমরা বাকি পুরোপুরি গাইডের কাছ থেকেই শুনে নেব মন্দিরের ইতিহাস।
No, not yet.
Here we have Shiva temple, called Hoysaleshwara. built in 12th century, in 1121 AD, 900 years old temple. It was built by one of the ministers of the Hoysala dynasty by name Ketu Malla. Ketu Malla was devotee of Lord Shiva and he wanted to show his love and affections towards the king and the queen. So here he built two temples on a single platform. This is the main temple for the king Hoysaleshwara. Another one is that side for the queen Shantaleshwara. Both are Shiva's temples. Yes. So temple 290 years to build. 190, nearly 200 years.
build.
4 to 5 generations, but it is still incomplete, not finished. Because when the temple work was going on, it was twice attacked by the Muslims. Allahuddin Khilji and his chief commander Malik Kafur in 13th 10 and 1326 AD. They destroyed everything, the palace, the city, and the damaged the temple also. So then it came to be known as Halebidu. Halebidu means destroyed city.
Destroyed city.
Ruined city or old settlement. Before it was called Dwara Samudra, Dwara in front of the temple, and that is a 9th century lake, artificial lake. That is around 850 acres of land. Now full filled with water, looks like an ocean. So it was called Dwara Samudra. Dwara means entrance, Samudra ocean. Totally it means the gateway of the city. And the material they used to build this temple is a soap stone, soft stone, naram pattar. It is very soft like a soap when it is in the earth. And exposed to the atmosphere it becomes very hard. It takes 4 to 5 months to become hard. So it is very easy to chisel and cut. And the temple is mainly divided into 3 parts. That first one is called Sanctum Sanctorum, Garbhagriha, where we can see Shiva, the form of Lingam, which represent creation. The next room is prayer hall. This is dancing platform, Navaranga. In South India, we had the system of temple dancing. Dancing girls, Devadasis, used to dance. In their memory, you can see some of the dancing postures and blanket figures, Shilapalikas or Madanikas. Like this, we had 84 statues. But out of 84, now only 14 are remained. 70 statues have been stolen away by the Britishers before our independence. Now they are in London. Albert and Victoria Museum, you can see remote places here. Empty places, yes. So good statues are in London Museum, see some broken statues are here. And inside we have 108 columns. 108 pillars, each one is different. And each one is combination of all pieces. It's not a single piece. Bottom to your first piece. Here to here second. The round is third one. The square is fourth one. Last one is fifth one. Called Pancha Shilas Dhamma. Pancha means 5. And these two, the doorkeepers of Shiva, Dwarapalakas, Nandikeshwara, Drungikeshwara. Next in Velur, there you can see Jaya and Vijaya, Vishnu's Dwarapalakas. And these two made of single pieces of stone, so 7 feet in height and 1 stone. See, these are human skulls which represent creation and destruction. So that is completely hollow inside. And also, yes, and also you can see the gap between crown and forehead. The whole thing is carved in one stone, monolithic. And here lady wearing necklace looks like only one, but there are 2 necklaces. See the gap between 2 necklaces. And see this design looks like paper cutting. See. And see the design looks like paper cutting. Inside and outside the temple we have 42 mini temples like this, mandapas. We remind, and the rest of them are stolen by the local people because before 1952 there were no security for this temple. And under Shiva. Around Shiva we have the guardians of 8 directions called Ashtadikpalakas. Same ceiling is there also. See here, Indra on his vehicle, Airavat, god of heaven. Agni and his vehicle Ram, god of fire. Yama and his vehicle E-buffalo, god of death. Niruti and his vehicle Man, god of rain. Varuna and his vehicle Makara, god of monsoon rainfalls. Vayu and his vehicle Deer, god of wind. Kubera and his vehicle Horse, god of wealth. And Isha and his vehicle Nandi, god of agriculture. Nareshwara, same Nandikeshwara, Bringikeshwara. See here in the ceiling, center Shiva, Brahma, the creator, Vishnu the protector, Ganesh, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kartikeya, some musicians. This ceiling they carved somewhere, brought here and fixed like entire locking system. Temple was attacked by the Muslims when the inside work was going on. So see here the work is half done in inside. Not finished in inside, so temple is known for outside beauty. Whereas Velu temple is known for inside beauty.
Santaleshwara. Santaleshwara. Lepakshi.
22 feet in height. The second one, Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu, Brihadeshwara temple. The third one, Chamundi Hills at Mysore. The fourth one, Bull temple, Bangalore. The fifth one, again Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. That is the sixth one. And this is the seventh one. That is 9 feet in height. This is 8 feet in height. Both are made of single pieces of stones, including the pedestal monolith. In size-wise, this is ranked 7th in India, but for the beautification and the decoration, ranked first in India. Because it has beautiful garlands of bells, flowers, bright eyes, and in blood vessels, hidden nostrils, and skin folding on the neck, the wrinkles. And the body of the Nandi is well polished like a mirror, we get reflection. That's the 12th century's polish, 900 years old polish. So Nandi ranked first for beautification and the decoration. Here Vishnu comes as a dwarf, asking for the 3 steps of land from the great demon Mahabali. In the bottom, demon's teacher Shukracharya is saying no, not to give, don't give, because he could visualize that Vishnu goes to do something wrong to him. However, he gave the gift. Though he was demon, he was so generous. After getting the gift, here Vishnu grown cosmic as a Trivikrama, and here he measured the earth has a first step. The whole earth has 1 step, second step to the heaven. There Brahma worshipping his foot with water pot, and the water falls down like a river. In the river you can see fish, turtles, and water waves. The third step is not shown here. He placed the third step on the demon set and pushed him to underneath because there was no place to put the third step. This is dancing Saraswati. One of the right hand she is holding rosary, Japamala, which represents spiritual knowledge. And one of the left hand she is holding book, palm leaves, which represent material knowledge. And below you can see a vehicle, Swan. Abhishekam by pouring water, milk, coconut to the lingam which falls down. This is 18 feet in length and monolithic. From inside sanctum to here 1 stone called Makara Pranala. So this one Lakshmi dancing on 3 folds of lotus. Actually Lakshmi never dances. You can see Lakshmi only in sitting postures are giving good. Here you can identify Lakshmi with the nectar pot. She is holding ambrosia pot. The center you can see the drummer. Above the drummer is the design that looks like paper cutting. That is completely hollow inside. If you push with force, it will be break. It's a very, very delicate one. Shiva dancing on the demon Andakasura, the demon of darkness. See again Brahma and again Narasimha. Shastra Mardini. So in this temple we have 14 Narasimha statues get repeats. 1-4. Because
Narasimha.
1-4, yeah. Because Narasimha was the family god of Konsalas. So that's why the king Vishnuvardhana built Vishnu temple at Velu. Here Vishnu comes as of man and of lion and killing the demon Hiranyakashipu. While killing him, another demon comes to help him. Vishnu becomes very angry, so he held the skin of the demon like this and peeled like a mask. There you can see both the high balls are came out with the skin. Only skull is there. Looks like plastic surgery. This is Garuda, Vishnu's vehicle. Here you can identify Garuda with its wings and sharp nose. Again Shiva dancing on the demon Andhakasur, the demon of darkness. Shiva always drives away darkness and brings light. So because of light, his vehicle Nandi is so delightful and dancing happily. Here you can see its smiling face. For Shiva's dance, the musicians are playing different musical instruments, drama, flute. So the third incarnation of Vishnu, Varaha, Vishnu comes as wild boar and killing the demon Hiranyaksha by crushing his head. There you can see the demon's high balls are bulging out and the mouth is opened. Another demon comes to help this demon, so Vishnu pierced him with his mace. The tip of the mace came out with intestines. So these two are the beautiful statues of this temple. So this one Shiva dancing inside the body of the elephant. Here the demon by name Gajasura, who comes in the form of the elephant to kill Shiva. But Shiva killing him by dancing inside the body of the elephant. Here you can see elephant's head and 2 legs in the bottom. Another 2 legs and tail on the top, and around you can see elephant's skin. And while dancing he is holding 2 legs and stretching beyond his limitation. So due to wetness, the left thumbnail of Shiva pierced the skin and went outside. So this is what we call Gajasura Vardhana. Krishna lifting Govardhana mountain called Govardhana Giridhari. Then in the mountain you can see full of lives. Sandita banana plant, bunch of bananas. Monkey climbing the tree to eat bananas. A cat has caught the rat. Man is climbing the mountain and enter is hunting a pig. Lion looking outside the cave and another one going inside the cave. Swan, peacock, lizard and snakes are coming out. And again at the Trinity, see Brahma, Shiva, Vishnu, Shiva, Parvati called Uma Maheshwara. When Parvati is coming, she is happy, she is called Uma. Then the vehicle will be mongoose. When she is angry, she is called Kali or Durga. Then the vehicle will be lion. So she has 2 vehicles, lion and mongoose. See there Ganesha dancing on his vehicle, the rat or the mouse. Because of more weight of Ganesha, rat is struggling. Mouth is opened like screaming, leg is bent and even the earth is depressed. And the rat is trying to have the grip with its knives. Ganesha's brother Kartikeya on his vehicle Peacock. He has 6 faces. You can see 3 faces here, another 3 faces backside. Temple has 4 entrances and this was the royal entrance for the royal family. Because there was the palace just half a kilometer from here, but the palace was completely destroyed. Now just some foundations are there. Before they coming to the temple, they used to worship Lord Ganesha first. Big one. Beautiful lintel, 12 feet in length and 3 feet in width. Center Shiva Nataraja. Right to Shiva Brahma, left to Shiva Vishnu, same imaginary Makara. Entire thing is carved in one stone. So same Dwarapalakas. Hands are damaged by the invaders. So the department of Lokala made gold, it is not a hands, but it has become successful. So these 2 are